Hello class, this is part 3 of color theory. So in the last section we talked about your colors. We were talking on the first section about your additive colors and subtractive colors. So just to recap from section number 2, subtractive primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. They cannot be made from other colors. They are considered the basic colors, and all other colors can be created by using a mixture of any of these 3 colors. And just to recap a little bit more again, their secondary colors are created when you mix primary colors. As you can see here, red and yellow gives you orange, and orange is the secondary color. When you mix red with blue, you get violet, which is also a secondary color. And finally, when you mix blue and yellow, you get green. So your secondary colors are orange, violet, and green, created by mixing equal amounts of the 2 primary colors. So both of the amounts have to be equal in order for them to be secondary, and only if they are made with primary colors. So tertiary colors are the colors that are created by mixing primary colors with a secondary color, or they can be made by mixing unequal amounts of primary colors. So you can use 2 primary colors, and when the amounts are not the same, you create a tertiary color. Now, your basic set of tertiary colors are yellow and green, which gives you yellow-green. And yellow-green is your tertiary. Red-violet, red-orange, and blue-green. So at the end, you have 2 color wheels. You have your subtractive color wheel and your additive color wheel. Now, your subtractive color wheel is used to mix paint, so it's something that you have. Whereas your additive color wheel is used mixing light, right? Remember that we talked about on section 1 about light? So remember that your subtractive color wheel is used to mix paint, and that the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Whereas your additive color wheel is when you mix light. And since you're mixing light, you only have green, red, and blue. All right, so subtractive and the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Additive are red, green, and blue. And one more time, you only have those 2 color wheels, subtractive color wheel and additive color wheel. Study hard and remember the difference between them. I'll see you on the next video when we're gonna go in depth about more things about color. Have fun!